In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set project permissions in Lovable. Lovable is a fantastic platform for project management, and setting permissions is crucial to ensure your team can collaborate effectively while maintaining data security. So let's dive in and go through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open your Lovable project. You can do this by logging into your Lovable account and navigating to the specific project you want to manage. Once you're in, you'll find yourself in the project editor. This is your central hub for making all sorts of adjustments and customizations to your project. Now, to set permissions, we begin by clicking on the Invite button. This option is usually located somewhere in the top panel or the side menu, clearly marked for easy access. Clicking here will start the process of adding new collaborators to your project. It's important to have the email addresses of those you wish to invite ready to go. Next, you'll be asked to enter the collaborator's email address. This is how Lovable will identify new users and send your invitation. Double check the email address to ensure everything is correct. A simple typo could mean your invite goes unanswered or ends up in the wrong inbox. After entering the email, the next step is choosing a role for the user. In Lovable, roles determine the level of access and control a collaborator will have over the project. Depending on your team's needs, you'll have several roles to choose from, such as viewer, editor, or admin. Each role comes with its own set of permissions. For instance, a viewer may only be able to see the project details, while an editor can make changes to the project contents. An admin generally has full access, including the ability to manage other users. Once you're satisfied with your role selection, go ahead and send the invitation. Lovable will then reach out to your collaborator via email with the details and a link to join the project. Encourage them to check their inbox, as sometimes emails can get lost or accidentally land in the spam folder. Finally, once your collaborator accepts the invitation, they'll automatically have the permissions associated with their assigned role. This seamless integration is one of the strengths of Lovable, allowing your team members to jump right into the project and start contributing. Remember, setting the right permissions is not just about giving access, it's about giving the right access. It ensures that your project is both collaborative and secure. Keep track of who has what role and periodically review them to ensure they still fit your team's needs. With this knowledge, you can manage and share your projects confidently on Lovable. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.